In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer funds between your accounts quickly and effortlessly. Transferring money is a fundamental banking task, and knowing how to do it efficiently can save you a lot of time. So, let's get started with this simple yet essential process. First, find and click on the New button, and then select Transfer from the available options. This is the starting point for initiating any new transaction in your banking app. The New button is often prominently displayed on the main dashboard to ensure easy access. Once you click on it, a list of possible actions will appear, and you'll specifically want to tap Transfer. Selecting this option tells your banking app that you intend to move funds from one place to another. Next, you'll need to choose your From and To accounts. Essentially, the From account is where the money will be deducted, and the To account is where you want the money to be deposited. It's crucial to select the right accounts to ensure your funds are moved correctly. Most banking apps will provide a list of your available accounts, so browse through and pick the appropriate ones for your transaction. Double check your selections to avoid any unwanted errors. After that, enter the amount you wish to transfer. Input the exact dollars and cents to ensure the correct amount is processed. Many apps have a handy calculator feature, allowing for quick adjustments, which can be particularly useful if you're moving unusual amounts. It's a good idea to glance at your current account balances before transferring to make sure you have enough in the From account. This will help you avoid any overdraft fees and ensure a smooth transaction process. You'll also want to select the date on which you'd like the transfer to occur. You can choose today's date for an immediate transfer or schedule it for a future date if that suits your needs better. Scheduled transfers can be beneficial for managing recurring payments or preparing for upcoming expenses. Just ensure your account has sufficient funds on the selected date to avoid any hiccups. Finally, you'll need to save the transfer. The Save button is usually located at the bottom of the page, so go ahead and click it to confirm your transaction. This step finalizes your instructions and sets your transfer in motion. Once you've saved it, you might receive a confirmation message or email reassuring you that the transfer has been successfully set up. This confirmation acts as a safety net, letting you quickly spot any issues before they lead to more significant problems. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to transferring money between your accounts. Whether you're moving funds to pay bills or simply managing your savings, these steps ensure your transactions are seamless. Thank you for joining, and feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a refresher.